guys, it's Courtney
and Reagan, and we're back with another video. Today we got something new. We got Minecraft Figurines Series 25.
Yes.
So we are both childhood fans of Minecraft here.
Yes.
So we've gotten a couple of the previous series before, just for ourselves, you know, get one or two every couple months. Mm-hmm. But now we got our first video on these Minecraft figurines. I guess this is a new series. I don't know. We have not seen these in store yet.
I always see like a new look of the box, so they're always releasing these, it looks like.
Yeah, so no complaints from us. We'll keep opening them if we got a toy channel. So I'm going to start off over here.
I love the TNT box. It's
I know,
awesome.
that is so cool.
It's really good.
This really caught our eye. So we're going to start off right here and show you guys the checklist that I presume it comes with. Okay, never mind. Oh, checklist is on the back, right?
It's on the...
Oh, never mind.
No, it's not. It doesn't come with a checklist. We only see what's on top here.
Hopefully there's a checklist in here, and we'll see. So, first one of this unboxing. Whoa!
Oh my gosh, focuses.
So we got a little pig with a saddle on it. Look at that. That is cute.
He is cute.
Super cute. I like that a lot. Pigs are good Minecraft animals. Come on.
Here we are.
First one.
Oh yeah! Oh my gosh!
We got a little bee.
Oh my gosh, I love him.
We got a Minecraft bee.
Oh, I'm obsessed.
That is good. That is a good one.
This is really good. Oh,
that's a newer addition to the game.
Tiny.
Super cool. We're going pretty good right here, guys. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to go this one in the middle right here. The middle bottom. Crack-a-lacking this acting open. Here it comes. Whoa. Okay, this is good. We got Steve with a carrot fishing rod to match our pig with the saddle on it. So if we get this going right here, look at that. He is leading the pig around with the carrot.
It perfectly sits on
there. Oh,
there.
yeah. Look, watch this, guys. My hands are a little unsteady, but look at that.
He sits on there super well.
Yeah, hold it like that. There, look at that. Isn't that cool? Let me get a thumbnail.
Oh, I didn't know it could do that.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Oh, I love it. That's awesome.
Yeah, really good.
Cute. These are super good so far. So I'm going to go with this one over here.
Okay.
Alright guys, I got a small one in here. It might be a B or even smaller.
Oh!
Yes! Yes!
That's the one you wanted!
That's the one, Axolotl! Oh my gosh. It is so micro. Look at that! Yay!
Axolotls are like fairly new to the game. I'm surprised they made a toy of it so quickly.
Yeah, oh my god. If you guys love Squishmallows, you know Squishmallows have a ton of axolotls. And so does Minecraft. Oh my gosh, he's so small.
That's cool. Yeah. We're getting all the good ones right now, everybody. So I'm on to my last one of the day. I'm going to go this one on the left. Mm-hmm. I'm feeling it right now. Yeah. Now watch it be like nothing, just an empty box. Oh, wait, no, it's got something.
Empty box.
Here we go. Come on, focus that. Last one. Need a new pair of shoes. Oh my god, I got a Pigman. So this is... that is scary. This is the new version of the Pigman. I think they're called Piglins in the new Minecraft. And he's got all the gold axe, all the gold bling. This is scary with the blank white eyes.
Pigman.
That is good. I like that.
Wow, he's good.
That is cool.
I thought he was a villager, but no.
Not today.
Alright guys, last one of the video. I'm sad because this is going super good. Alright guys, what's it gonna be?
Last
tall.
one.
It might be Slenderman. I'm just kidding. Whoa!
Ew, spider jockey! Show that that's a spider jockey with an enchanted bow and arrow! Okay, everybody, so if you don't know what a spider jockey is, it's a skeleton riding a spider, just randomly spawns, and he has an enchanted bow and arrow too, so that's even more special.
Look at that!
Look at that, that's really cool!
This is like 2-in-1. I hate spiders.
You know, this is a really good unboxing right here. We got so much good stuff. Let's line them up with big favorites!
Alright guys, here they all are lined up. Super happy with these. Oh my gosh. We've gotten a few in the past and they just have not been this good.
Oh no.
Oh, I love them. It's hard to pick between the axolotl, the bee, the pig, Steve riding the pig.
Just to go against our spider jockey.
Yeah, seriously. How about you pick first?
Oh, I don't know. My favorite. This is tough.
It is.
I want to pick the axolotl, but I already know that's your favorite. So I'm gonna go with the spider jockey. That thing is big. It's cool. It's literally 2 in 1. A skeleton on top of a spider, all in one. That's my favorite.
Good.
No.
All right. Well, you thought it was the axolotl. He's super cute and tiny, but I have to go with the bee. Come
Really?
on. I'm so happy we got him.
So happy that you got it.
Yes. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. The axolotl is smaller than the bee. I love these so much.
So this was a really good video, everybody. We had super lot of fun making this one for you. If you like this video, make sure you like it, comment your favorite one of these that we pulled today, and subscribe for more RC Toy Reviews videos.
You can follow us on Instagram as RC Toy Reviews, TikTok rc.toyreviews.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys.